I think he's a teenager, not Salvador, but
How long have you had him?
I think we had him for 2 years,
Okay.
and he used to be a school horse, and he came over here. And I give you all the information, but it's okay. He didn't been very loved here.
He wasn't loved by the staff?
By the staff. The staff pretty untrusting and don't like him.
Okay.
And by the
Not-
volunteers too.
And he just wanted to please, but he had a little bit of ADHD.
Okay.
And he's playful and he just wanted to do good. He has some physical issues.
Okay.
This is what I get for him, but there is no mean bone in his body. It's not like somebody that said he just wants his respect and he said, if you don't treat me well, I'm not going to take it.
Mm-hmm.
But if you treat me with respect and let me understand, I will walk in a cloud.
Okay.
And wasn't the little boy that the mother was going to get from her son, who wanted was a little black boy?
Managed to tell you all the story was before past sire. I'm the new kid on the block. I'm just here.
So, Molly, how long, so he's been here 2 years?
That sounds about right.
Okay, and how old do we think he
He
is?
was,
He's like 16.
yeah, they're all
He
teenagers.
said he was 16, I just was
Okay,
checking with
yeah.
the people.
Okay, no,
I'm
because
going to
I'm
tell
ready
you.
notes.
No, I'm going to tell you exactly. I have
But they
You
lie
already
about
told
their
him at
ages,
16.
that's the one place that they lie, so
So,
that's
well,
why I
we all
never
do,
trust what
don't
they,
we?
yeah,
That's
Um,
funny.
yeah,
He was a lesson horse in a hunter jumper barn.
okay,
You want more?
no.
Okay. Irrigation? Hi, Mama. Are you writing nice things about me?
Max is 13.
13.
Sure, can't say, I told you they lie.
Well, I think trainers and buyers and sellers lie more than horses do.
Oh, horses lie about their age for sure.
Yeah.
I used to actually have everybody in the class ask my Arab how old she was. And she would tell everyone she was 7 for about 5 years. And then the next she went to 12 finally, but she's 26. And so now she tells people, I'm 17. So
Aren't
and
we all
she'll tell the
29 and holding?
whole class, yeah.
Does she feel 17?
Is it,
Yeah, she actually feels 7, but
feels 7,
yeah, but
yeah.
she just likes to mess with people. But he's a great guy, and he's very funny. And I think people appreciate his humor. And I think that he's silly and fun, and that he comes off as pushy. And that he doesn't mean to be pushy, but he's just sort of like, hey, this is fun. And I think he needs for it to be more fun. And like if you had kids' birthday parties or something, he could come in dressed as a clown. But in the meantime, he feels like, oh my God, we have to do this again. And so I think he's got a little, there's a boredom / opinionated / late bloomer. And it's almost like in 10 years he could do this job perfectly, but for right now he still has some fun in him. Do you ever get kids that would like maybe somebody that could half lease for like 3 days a week or something like? Is there a way of having him have a more permanent kid? Okay.
Or maybe later on.
They can have, the permanence is once a week, but it's, 10 different kids once a week.
Because I think that's
Now, he does have a barn buddy,
a human.
a human, yeah, that works with us. Diane does his organizing.
You do.
So that people that, whoever's barn buddy is, needs to know.
That's what, I feel like he's really into connecting with one person
Yeah.
right now. And it's, right now what's happening is that the pass around thing is not, it's just too much. It's like he needs more stimulus on the one hand and that's overstimulating on another hand. Like that's not the way to stimulate him. He can do well. He's done a lot of things. He thinks he's a super cute jumper.
Oh yeah, I got that too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I saw big jumps.
Yeah.
Yeah,
And
4
he's
footers.
just like, whoa,
Yeah.
okay, yeah.
Yeah. I rode him and he's all on that.
Is he?
He's
Yeah.
on the 4-footer jumps.
He
Yeah.
loves that, and he's and that's when he takes it pretty seriously. You know, as he does like, because the jumping is that way of expressing himself, and I just don't. I feel like he's just been shorted on the expression. You know, he needs more opportunity for expression, and there's not a lot of people. And he will admit that he is opinionated. When is his birthday? Did you look when you looked at his birthday? Is it
No,
April?
no.
I think it's March.
Oh,
I think so. Like, I didn't know to do.
okay.
I don't know that we have any papers to tell us.
I think they're all somewhere. I'm not sure.
And I mean, I would just put him so in the category of a late bloomer. So if there's something else you can do where it's more one-on-one for right now, I think he'll be great in a couple of years, but not today.
And he really loves his barn buddy. And who's his barn buddy?
Robin.
And what is-
Robin Gray.
What does she look like? Or
She's very tiny and has like strawberry.
does she wear pigtails already?
Yes.
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 That was the picture I got. That was and jumping at the
Yeah.
same time.
Yeah.
Does she jump it?
No, I don't know if she
Has she ever
may
jumped?
have. Yes, you know that one, remember the one day we were all riding here and Velvet decided she wanted to jump and so Holly let her jump and then Robin jumped him. And then there was another horse, Hootie.
Mm-hmm.
And that day they all three got to.
I mean, maybe if he got to
It
jump
was
3
during our
times a
schooling.
week.
It was-
Do y'all have any poles?
Well, we jumped the log out.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I mean, maybe if you set something up that he got to jump a couple days a week, he could put up with,
So Robin could probably.
you know, that would be a fair exchange. It's just for him to be able to express his love, and then, and plus you exhaust the late bloomer. He's like, you know, the 3-year-old puppy that's still a puppy. It's like, oh my God, you're
Oh,
supposed to
if
grow out
there's
of
a,
this.
if you pass by something and he wants to investigate, don't even see what's in there.
Yeah, and that's where he seems
He's
like
not afraid of it, he just wants to check it
he's
out.
curious, and
Yeah.
then a person can find that to be almost pushy or like demanding. And I think that's why he doesn't mean to irritate people. But then there's 2 people he doesn't mind irritating. It feels like that's the relationship right now, and that's kind of fun, is to irritate these 2 people. That's part of personality.
You can irritate anyone.
Little stupid.
No, he likes you. You're not one of
No,
them.
you're not one of them.
I know, but I want
You know who they are?
I
You know
don't
who
care.
they are. Don't you love?
Yeah. Well, I think that the thing is that who's the person that handles him the most?
No, we all irritate him. I cannot go there. I will go there later privately.
Okay, but the thing is that the one person that he irritates the most is someone that he knows how to push her buttons in 2 seconds, and it's not he's not
Let's move on.
yeah.
Lucy, it was just getting interesting.
But you know what the thing is that when you know that that's fun for a horse, you take all the power out of
I
it.
do it as well sometimes.
Push her buttons.
Yeah.
Is it you?
Oh, this is fun.
Okay.
He's very, very diplomatic, Boozy. I'm proud of
Okay.
him.
Well, it feels like there's a lot of things that can push her buttons, and so he's just one of them. But if you could tell her that that's his
We're into
game,
healing, not button pushing.
yeah.
Healing.
All right. Well, maybe we should tap on button pushing. That would be kind of fun. All right.
Take us-
But I'm here as the negotiator. Is there a chance he could
We'll
get to
talk
jump?
about
Okay.
yes, we'll talk about it later.
Okay.
We will not
On the
not-
jumping?
On the jumping.
about the jumping and about what you just said. We'll have a private after because
Okay.
there is
Do you have
too
any
many
clients?
people and I cannot go there
Exactly.
to
I
their
understand.
respect and to
Absolutely. Absolutely.
Oh, I mean,
Okay.
if there's any
But
clients.
that would be a really
Well, Robin is really. I kept seeing Robin.
yeah.
old upper respiratory or something. Lower jaw. How is
Yeah,
this?
he had a lot of teeth and a lot of mouth problem, and all his muscle was wrong. Here, this muscle, like last year, was that big, and all this. And we started to do acupuncture, and Phil and Elizabeth worked him, and Casey, and we just took the shoes 2 months ago off, so he's realized. So he's changing all his body.
Yeah.
He's just start to change. So he still try to find his body, the
Yeah.
new body, and feel the body. And
This left butt hurts.
yeah.
He gets sore right there. Feeling his body.
And Boosie, you said Elizabeth did look at him?
Yeah. They
Yay team.
they
She worked
work
on him?
Yes.
Okay,
On
cool.
all our horses they work.
Okay.
So now we mention. So now with the jumping
Uh-huh.
and the hind leg,
Uh-huh.
we need to work so it doesn't get too sore. So it doesn't get too exciting and start to jump and
Yeah.
enjoy the beat and then
Be sore more. I think that I would start with poles and then,
Just build up.
yeah.
The 4 foot.
Exactly.
You didn't have a problem clearing the 4 foot. You didn't have a problem with it.
No, he can do it.
He's very scoping.
Yeah. Yeah, just,
Yeah, up and arcing. He's got his little bascule and he's ready to go.
so he was really he just not to work on him, he start to work on him. So much trial and I just see right now just how to
yeah. Yeah, he is cute.
Another one to go home in the car.
I know.
What?
Six horses, they're gonna do that.
I know, I'm like, trailer. So fun.
And I get such a little rise out of it.
And I get such a little rise out of it.
In fact, I get high. And I see them irritated.
And I see them irritated.
And oh my God, they're so irritated.
Oh my God, they're so irritated.
At least I have them engaged.
At least I have them engaged.
And I love the choices I make.
And I love the choices I make.
Even though deep down I have a heart of gold.
Even though deep down I have a heart of gold.
And I know that I can be really great.
And I know that I can be really great.
I love and accept myself.
I love and accept myself.
Even though at this point,
Even though at this point,
I'm not doing myself any justice.
I'm not doing myself any justice.
But I'm addicted to this.
But I'm addicted to this.
I love and accept myself.
I love and accept myself.
I'm gonna go ahead and play stoic.
I'm gonna go ahead and play stoic.
And then just mess with people.
And then just mess with people.
It's really fun.
It's really fun.
No one knows what I'm doing.
No one knows what I'm doing.
They just react.
They just react.
And it's so funny.
It is so funny.
And no one gets how funny I am.
It's how funny I am.
That's the only unfortunate part.
That's the only unfortunate part.
I should have a little bit of credit for how funny I am.
I should have a little bit of credit how funny I am.
Because I am really funny.
Because I am really funny.
And no one seems to be buying it.
And no one seems to be buying it.
And that's really unfortunate for them.
That's really unfortunate for them.
Because I can offer them some lightness in the day too.
Because I can offer them some lightness in the day too.
And I really don't mean to pick on her.
And I really don't mean to pick on her.
Oh my God, it's so easy though.
Oh my God, it's so easy though.
It's so easy to get a lot of them here.
It's so easy to get a lot of them here.
Because they're so damn serious.
They're so damn serious.
Where's the fun?
Where's the fun?
I'm just all about the fun.
I'm just all about the fun.
No one seems to be interested in fun here.
No one seems to be interested in fun here.
It's go, go, go.
Let's go, go, go.
And I'm like fun, fun, fun.
And I like fun, fun, fun.
I just want to jump.
I just want to jump.
I just want to laugh.
I just want to laugh.
I just really want to see people laugh.
I just really want to see people laugh.
And no one's laughing with me.
And no one's laughing with me.
Where do I get a clown hat around here?
Where do I get a clown hat?
I'd actually wear it.
I'd actually wear it.
You could dress me up any way you wanted.
You can dress me up any way you wanted.
Where's the kid party?
Where's the kid party?
That's what I want to do.
That's what I want to do.
And I'd be really good.
And I'd be really good.
I am really good.
I am really good.
I just think I need a job
I just think I need a job
where I am engaged with one person.
where I'm engaged with one person.
I don't mind letting other people ride me,
I don't mind other people riding me,
but I do need love.
but I do need love.
I want that one-on-one.
I want that one-on-one.
And I really need people
And I really need people
to understand
to understand
I'm the funny guy.
I'm the funny guy.
And this is no longer a serious thing.
And this is no longer a serious thing.
Don't they see that I'm that funny healer?
Funny healer.
Well, I'll release the need to be so obnoxious,
And I'll release the need to be so obnoxious,
so pushy,
so pushy,
like a big puppy.
like a big puppy.
I will just go ahead and do my job.
I'll just go ahead and do my job.
Now that you all know how funny I am.
Now that y'all know how funny I am,
Just please walk around and laugh.
just really walk around and laugh. Ah.
There we
He
go.
wants the clown hat. Did you